We're down here at the North Garden, and it's a beautiful day down here on the farm, and we spent this morning cleaning up around the high tunnels. So it's the first really warm day we've had in a long time, and it's supposed to start getting, our temperature's supposed to start moderating. So I'm gonna start tilling, and I'm on the north side, and I deep plowed this, and I'm gonna till it not real fine, but kind of mess it up, a rough cut. And I'm gonna do the other one the same way. Then probably tomorrow, the next day, I'm gonna really fine it, and then we'll layer plastic down. But we're gonna get started on this today. I'm gonna try to get both of them, and then this evening when it goes back off, we're gonna jump back on the high tunnels. We back got the outside looking really good, so we're gonna clean up on the inside and get all that junk from the winter out of there. So anyway, I'm gonna get started. I got my John Deere 5055D down here. It's 55 horse, and my New Holland. It's a 105A heavy duty 6-foot tiller, and it does a really good job. I've had it for a long time. I bought it used. I didn't buy it new, but I got a really good deal on it from the New Holland place. So it's been a real good purchase for us. It makes it a lot easier. So anyway, I'm gonna get started, and we'll show you how it goes, and then we'll talk about it when we get through. Alright, so I got this one done. It took about 20 minutes or so. Running that cutting hearth through there earlier, if you remember, I don't know, several videos back, I got a new cutting hearth. I run it through here, and it hit that plastic up. That's made all the difference in the world in tilling. And like I said, I just started this one at kind of a low RPM, kind of chopping it up, and I'll let it sit there for a little bit, and I'll come back and really chop it up really fine. I'm gonna go over and hit the other one, and I'll show you it's different, because I deep plowed this one, and the other garden I didn't. I felt this was more compacted than that one, and we'll find out. Now I got a little alcove over there that I didn't till yet, and that's where I'm gonna put my cantaloupe. And I'm not gonna use plastic. I'm gonna use that woven, kind of like we did watermelons last year. And that used to be our strawberries, and we was looking and found a couple rogue plants had some strawberries on them. So I'm gonna eat one, just kind of like a little lunch snack. But it looks pretty. I kind of wish we still had strawberries. We just don't have time for them right now. Plus we lost our supplier. So anyway, I'm gonna head over to the other garden. I'll show you when we get over there. Okay, we're over at the south garden now, and I didn't deep plow this, but I did run that cutting hearth through here to break that plastic up a couple of times. So, but you can see the difference here. It looks more matted and not turned over. So we'll see how it does tilling, and I'll be able to tell if I made a mistake or not. But I felt like this is not compacted at all over here, and this is actually my better side, my better garden over here. So I'm gonna get started, and we'll do some passes, or we'll do it, and we'll see how it does. Okay, we got it finished, and it took quite a bit longer to do this side. This is a lot bigger garden side over here. It's almost an acre. I think like 0.98. That's what I figured on the using a GIS program, and that over there is like 0.6. So it took us about 45 minutes to get it, but it tilled really nice. There's like 2 spots that were kind of hard. And I know you're asking, how do you know? Well, the sound, the tiller makes a different sound when it hits something hard. When it's just plowing along, it's just like purring. Then you hit something hard, it kind of rattles a little bit. So just one spot is really on this end where I really hadn't plowed all that heavy before in the past. But I'm really happy with it. I can just about lay plastic the way it is. But it was so weedy, I'm gonna let them weeds set up to the sun a little bit, and I'm gonna hit it again. So we're gonna pan over and let you look at it. Of course, I'm glad we got it done. So I kind of feel like we're getting caught up. I got the upper garden done the other day. I got, of course, I got 4 rows of carrots, and I put 2 rows of beets, a row and a half of radishes, 2.5 rows of beets, 1.5 of radishes. So that garden up there is done for now. We'll get this plastic in hopefully next week or this week. We'll get all this going too as much as we can. So anyway, hope you liked the video. Hit that subscribe button, trying to get 1,000 subscribers. We post videos 7 days a week now. We got Monday, Wednesday, and Friday long form. Then the rest of the other days we post shorts. So 7 days a week you can find us posting videos. And we appreciate you watching. Hit that subscribe. Help us reach 1,000. Help our channel grow by doing that. And we really appreciate it. Support your local farmer. And we'll see you down here in the farm in the next video.